Good Dark Knight gang. I'm Neptune. Hey, bro, I just wanted to make this short VR gameplay really quick. This is going to be of me at the Resident Evil gun range. Let's see how good I do. This is my first time doing it. Yeah, man, it should be exciting. I think I have pretty good aim, and y'all know I don't fold under pressure, boy. So I'm about to hop into this gameplay, jump into this gun range really quick, see how good I do. Look, I'm already sweating. I've been playing Resident Evil for like 3-4 hours straight, just standing up, killing zombies. You guys should check out some of the gameplay. It's fire. Anyway, let me hop into this gun range. Let's see how good I do. Yeah, let's go. Normal price, 10,000. Bonus price, 17,000. Huh. All right, let's try handgun first. Damn, I wasn't ready. Damn. Let's see what I got. 14.5? Leon with rocket launcher. Let's play again. How do you beat 17? All right, let me try the shotgun. Oh, I got the bonus prize with the shotty. I got the bonus prize with the shotty. I want to try it again with the handgun. All right, TMP. Let's see. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know. I want to do it again. Ah! Now I want to go again. I want to go again. I want to go again. Let me go again. Ah! Let me try again with the handgun real quick. what I'm talking about, boy. That's what I'm talking about, boy. All right, bro, I did pretty good. Y'all saw that. I got the highest score with the handgun. I got the highest score with the shotgun and with the TMP. I didn't get the highest score, but I still did good enough in order to get the a prize. So I mean, look like my aim is on par, you feel me? Anyway, I just wanted to make this video really quick just to show you guys how great Resident Evil is, just to show you how great virtual reality is, bro. You really do have to have aim, and you gotta have a steady hand. It's not like a regular video game where you just move the joysticks. Like, you really gotta aim with your hand and your arm, you feel me? I'm low-key kind of sore. I've been standing up for a long time, bro. But anyway, I had a great time. Shout out to the gang. Let me know what y'all thought about this video down in the comments. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Everybody have a great day. Peace.